Hi there, welcome to TG English. Welcome to the program. ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ ፎሎወሮቼ ተማሪዎቼ እንዲሁም እግር ጥሏችሁ ለምታዩኝ TG English has back. Welcome back. All right, today we are going to discuss about ChatGPT in a big range. ወደ ፕሮግራሜ ከመግባቴ በፊት ደግሞ አንድ ማስታወቂያ አለኝ። የቲጂ ኢንግሊሽ ላይቭ ኢንግሊሽ ፕራክቲስ ሌሰን እሑድ ይጀምራል። ኢትዮጵያ ሰዓት አቆጣጠር ከ3:30 ወይም እስከ 4 ሰዓት ጀምሮ ይቀርባል ማለት ነው። ኑና ተለማመዱ። አሪፍ መሆን አይጠበቅባችሁም። Be yourself, come and try your best. Okay, አሁን በቀጥታ ወደ ፕሮግራማችን ዛሬ ይዤላችሁ የመጣው ደግሞ ChatGPT ነው። በጣም ብዙ ሰዎች ሰምታችሁታል። እኔ ራሴ አዌረንስ የሆንኩት አንድ ቀን የላይቭ ሾዋችን ላይ አንድ ተማሪ ነው የነገረኝ። ከዛው ደግሞ ሪሰርች አድርጌ ያው እንደምታውቁት እኔ በስማ በለው አልመጣም። That's my specialty. እና ሪሰርች አድርጌ ምንድነው GPT ማነው ለምን ላንጉጅ ይሰራል የሚለው ሁሉ በደንብ አጥንቼ ቼክ አድርጌ ዛሬ ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። እሱም ከመጀመሪያው ዳውንሎዲንግ ነው የምንጀምረው ማለት ነው። ChatGPT ቻት ያው መነጋገር ነው። GPT ደግሞ ስታንድ G for generative, P for pre-trained and T ደግሞ transformed ነው። ChatGPT the part of AI ነው። AI ማለት ደግሞ artificial intelligence ነው። ይሄ ባሆናችሁ ሁላችሁም አውቃችሁታል። በተለይ ቲክቶክ የምትመጡ you are familiar. Okay እና ተሳ ወደ ዳውንሎዲንግ እንገባለን ማለት ነው። እዚህ ጋር ሴልፎናችሁን ታወጣላችሁ። እንደተለመደው የት እንሄዳለን? ፕሌይ ስቶር እንሄዳለን ማለት ነው። ፕሌይ ስቶር እንሄዳለን። እኔ ብዙ ጊዜ ሳምሰንግን ነው የምጠቀመው፣ አንድሮይድ ነው የምጠቀመው። ፕሌይ ስቶር እንሄዳለን። ፕሌይ ስቶር ሄደን ምንድነው የምንለው? ታይፕ ያው እንደተለመደው ታይፕ ሰርች እናደርጋለን። ሰርች እናደርግና ምንድነው ከዛ ምንድነው አፕን እንሄዳለን። አሁን እንደዚህ ስንሄድ ነው የሁላችሁ እዚህ ጋር በቅድም በሰፋር ይገጫቸው ይቺ ጥቁርና ነጭ እንደዚህ የተጠመዘዘ ገመድ የሚመስል ነው እና እሱን ነው። ከዛ ያው ኢንስቶል ታደርጋላችሁ። ከዛ ኢንስቶል ሲያደርግ ጠብቃችሁ ኦፕን ታደርጋላችሁ ማለት ነው። እና ምንድነው ይሄ GPT እና ኦፕን እስከሚያደርግ ትንሽ ገለጻ ላድርግላችሁ። GPT almost 80 more than 80 languages understand ያደርጋል፣ ሪስፖንድ ያደርጋል, included our Amharic. Hallelujah. እና አማርኛን ጨምሮ አንደርስታንድ ያደርጋል። ቴክስት ብታደርጉ፣ ኮንቨርሴሽን ብታደርጉ፣ ጥያቄ ብትጠይቁ በአማርኛን አንደርስታንድ ያደርጋል። እና እስቲ እንዴት እንደሆነ እናያለን ማለት ነው። stay with me. እና አሁን ኦሬዲ እንትን ጨርሷል። ኦፕን አድርጓለሁ ማለት ነው። እና ይሄው እንደምታዩት ዌልካም ቱ ChatGPT ይላል። እና ከዛ ኮንቲኒው ላለሁኝ እና ከዛ ይሄንን ምንድነው እዘጋዋለሁ። በቃ ኦሬዲ ጭኛለሁ። እና ምንድነው የሚሄደው አፖቼ ጋር ሄዳለሁ። አፖቼ ጋር ሲሄድ አሁን ChatGPT መጨረሻ መሆን አለበት። ብዙ ጊዜ የመጨረሻ አፕ የምትጭኑት መጨረሻ ነው የሚሆነው። እንዳትደነጋገሩ ወይኔን ያልመጣልኝም እንዳትሉ፣ ምንም የነካሁት ነገር እና አሁን ChatGPT ይኸውና አሁን ChatGPT ኦፕን ሆነ ማለት ነው። እና ኦፕን ሆኖ እዚች ጋር እና አሁን እዚች ጋር እንደምታዩት የንግግርና የዚች ጥቁርና ነጭ አለችው። ብዙ ጊዜ እና ጥቁርና ነጭ ቴክስት ማድረግ ስትፈልጉ ቀጥታ ቴክስት ታደርጋላችሁ። እና እዚህ ጋር አሁን ኦሬዲ ስታንድ ባይ ሆኗል። what can I help with? hello ምን ልርዳሽ ትግስት ይላል። okay don't worry። እና አሁን እንደዛ ነው ማለት ነው። እና አሁን ኦሬዲ ሊረዳኝ ዝግጁ ነው ማለት ነው። አሁን ምንድነው ብዙዎቻችን እንግሊዘኛችን ብሮክ ነው። እንኳንኛ እንግሊዘኛ ፈርስት ላንጉጃቸው የሆነ ብዙ ጊዜ ብሮክ እንግሊሽ ይናገራሉ። ዶንት ወሪ አባውት ብሮክ እንግሊሽ። እና ብሮክ እንግሊዘኛ ይናገራሉ። በብሮክ እንግሊዘኛችሁ ዶንት ወሪ እና ዶንት አሼምድ፣ እንዳታፍሩ፣ እንዳትጨነቁ። ዋናው ረጋ ብሎ ቀስ ብሎ ተፍጨርጭሮ ሐሳብን መስመር ሳይለቁ ማስረዳት ነው። ፈጠን ብሎ የመናገር የማወቅ፣ ረጋ ብሎ የመናገር ያለማወቅ ብቻ ሳይሆን እንዳው ሞር ጀንትል ረጋ ብሎ የሚናገር ነው። እና አሁን እስቲ በእንግሊዘኛ እኔ እንግሊዘኛ አስተምረኝ ልበለው እና here we go. Hi there.
Hello, how's it going?
I'm good. And thank you for asking me. I need help from you to improve my English speaking.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. What would you like to work on today?
Okay. For example, like English is my second language. My first language is Amharic. And when I ask people for help, which will be better to use a modal verb can or could?
Great question. Both can and could are used to ask for help, but they have slightly different tones. Can is more direct and commonly used in casual situations. For example, more polite and often used to sound more formal or respectful. For example, could you help me with this? So if you want to be polite or formal, use could. If you're in a casual setting, can works fine.
For example, will you give me one casual example for can, please?
Sure. A casual example would be, can you pass me the salt? It's direct and commonly used among friends or family.
Okay. For example, if I say, can you help me or could you help me? Which will be better?
It depends on the situation. If you're talking to a friend or someone you know well, can you help me is totally fine and natural. If you're asking someone you don't know well, or if you want to be extra polite, you might say, could you help me? Both are correct, but could sounds a bit more polite.
Wow, thank you. Okay, next question. When I ask people to tell me the time, can I say what is the time or what time it is or what time it is? Which will be the correct one?
Hello, the most common and natural way to ask for the time is what time is it? It's simple and straightforward.
Okay.
Saying what is the time is also correct, but a bit more formal. The phrase what time it is not correct in standard English. So what time is it is your best choice.
What time is it? Is it okay? What time is it? Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfectly fine. What time is it is a great way to ask for the time. Well done.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. And how do I start a sentence to be polite, such as when I am writing my covering letter for a job application?
To start a sentence politely in a cover letter, you can use phrases like, I am writing to express my interest in, I would like to apply for the position of, I am excited about the opportunity to. These openings set a respectful and professional tone. Okay.
My experience in the previous time, I said, I would like to inform you. When am I going to use that?
I would like to inform you is a formal way to provide information or updates. You can use it in situations like notifying someone about an important change or decision, informing your boss or colleagues about a project update, letting someone know about a scheduled meeting or appointment. It's useful when you need to convey important details in a clear and respectful manner.
Okay.
Using I would like to inform you is perfectly fine in formal writing. However, for variety and to keep your writing engaging, you can also use alternatives like, I wanted to let you know. Please be informed that. I am pleased to share that. These alternatives can make your communication sound varied while still being polite and professional.
Okay, thank you so much. You are amazing. Okay. How do I spell construction?
You're welcome. Construction is spelled C-O-N-S-T-R-U-C-T-I-O-N.
Okay, another question. When I am sick and to call my workplace, how can I start the talk or conversation over the phone?
When calling your workplace to let them know you're sick, you can start the conversation politely and clearly. Here's a simple way to start. Hello, this is your name. I'm calling to let you know that I'm feeling unwell today and won't be able to come to work. This approach is polite and provides the necessary information. Feel better soon.
Wow, that's perfect.
I'm happy to help.
Okay.
If you have any more questions,
yes.
Feel free to ask anytime.
Okay, if I say, excuse me, could you tell me what the next station is called, please? Is that correct, or will you just correct me, please?
Your sentence is very polite and clear. You can definitely say, excuse me, could you tell me what the next station is called, please? It's a polite way to ask for information. Great job.
Okay. And can I say, when I ask someone to show me the directions, such as, sir, sorry, I'm lost. Which way is downtown? Could you tell me, please?
Absolutely. That's a polite and clear way to ask for directions. You can say, excuse me, I'm lost. Which way is downtown? Could you tell me, please? It's respectful and easy to understand.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I have done then one question, the last one. Is a GPT, ChatGPT can help Amharic language, how to, Ethiopian's language? Can understand?
Yes, I can understand and respond in Amharic. If you'd like to practice or have questions in Amharic, feel free to ask.
Right now?
Great. If you have any questions or want to practice in Amharic, just let me know.
If I speak Amharic, can you translate me in English?
Absolutely. I can help with that.
Okay. ሰላም ጤና ይስጥልኝ እንደምን ዋሉ?
Hello. How are you doing today?
Wow, that's nice. Then one thing, for example, I speak Amharic as a first language. I would like to tell poor people in English. Will you just translate my Amharic conversation to English? How do I say እርዳታ እፈልጋለሁ?
You can say, I need help in English.
You got me, man. Okay, and ዛሬ ደስ ብሎኛል. How do I say in English?
You can say, I'm feeling better now. You can say, I'm very happy now.
Wow, you are so amazing. Thank you very, very much. It is overwhelming conversation I had with you. And yeah, that's it. I'm done.
I'm really glad I could help. If you ever have more questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
You too. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Voila. La. I can't seriously, I haven't even tried it by myself. I didn't have any training. I'm just be myself. Here we go. What do you think? Please let me know. This one, by the way, this is a free version. If you are a student, if you are using it every day, I think it has a limitation, and it might just ask you to wait until few days, or you have to buy the ChatGPT Plus. That I think you're going to pay every month $20. From now, you might not need me anymore. I'm losing my job, my students, sadly, but it's okay. I'm doing it for my hobby. I'm not making any money out of this. Anyway, I'm happy to introduce you this one. And next time, when you are on the train, when you lost your way, wherever you go, you just open your GPT, but you need some Wi-Fi or a data. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. Thank you, be with me. Thank you for your support and help, and for your wonderful message on my YouTube as well as my TikTok. But my TikTok people, you guys, you are amazing. Don't tell my YouTube students. Okay, thank you for watching. We're done for a day. Until I see you with my next exciting lesson and study, have a nice day. See you soon.